Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the app bundle and locating the icon assets. You must back up originals before touching anything. Once done, prepare the replacement images in required sizes: 1024, 512, 180, 120 pixels, because the system uses multiple scales. Make sure you have an image editor and a file manager ready, and install any signing utility you'll need. These tools speed the process and prevent errors when you swap files. Next, replace the icon files in the Asset Catalog or Resources folder, matching exact file names and scale suffixes. If you use asset catalogs, update the contents. JSON entries. Then edit the manifest or info. Please to point to the new icon names so the system recognizes them. Be careful with formats. Keep PNG where required and preserve alpha channels for rounded icons, and optimize file sizes to avoid bloating the package, which can affect. Finally, re-sign the app bundle using the correct certificate and provisioning. If distribution rules require it, bump the build number. Install the rebuilt app on a device or emulator and inspect the icon at all relevant resolutions to confirm correctness. If the new icon doesn't appear, clear the icon cache and restart the device. Double-check file names and info. List references and ensure the signature is valid. These steps resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.